Hi everyone, and welcome to the Design Your Life workshop in Zurich on the 21st and 22nd of November. I hope this message finds you well, and I just wanted to say hi, and hopefully you're looking forward to our workshop together. And with this message, you're also going to get a couple of preparation tasks that gets you into the mode and into the mood of designing our lives. And I look very much forward to be working with you on those 2 days. And just as a heads up, if you can, just don't make too many appointments on Thursday evening, because usually there's a lot of stuff happening in our heads and hearts and minds. So usually it's good to actually have the first evening to yourselves and have a more quiet evening. And with this, I wish you a good time. Email me if you have any questions. Very much looking forward to be working with you in Zurich. Bye.